Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Understand your throwing mechanics. Your throwing style matters more than you think. Focus on consistent wrist movement and release point. Practice throwing from the same spot every time so your muscle memory develops faster. Step 2. Master the circle lock technique. This is a game changer for accuracy. Wait for the circle to shrink to your preferred size before you throw. Once you lock onto that size, your throws become way more predictable and accurate. Step 3. Adjust your phone grip and position. Hold your device at a comfortable angle, usually around waist level. Keep your arms steady and avoid moving side to side. A stable grip directly improves your throwing consistency. Step 4. Use the curveball method strategically. Curved throws give you bonus experience, and can actually improve your aiming precision over time. Practice curving gently at first, then increase your spin as you get comfortable. Step 5. Farm easy catches first. Start with common Pokemon before tackling legendaries. Build confidence by nailing throw after throw on simple targets. Your accuracy improves naturally when you practice on easier catches consistently.